Pretty cool.
Huh?
Okay, well, we're going to give this thing a go, and we'll be back on the other end. All right, so we just got done with the rock and roller coaster. I think that's what it's called. Yes. Had a good time on it. Not the most comfortable ride in the world as far as the seats go. But if you like fast, loopy stuff, you'll love it. So I think we are now going to make our way back over to Toy Story Land, try to maybe do a few other rides. We've kind of ridden just about everything we want to, or wanted to, before the day. And so I think we're gonna although I do think my wife and youngest daughter want to ride Star Tours, which again, I may or may not ride that one. We'll see. But other than that, I think we've ridden just about everything we want to ride. And then I think we're just going to have some fun. See if we can ride a few other rides again. Maybe, I know we want to ride Toy Story Mania, which we love, Midway Mania. Oh, I might. I don't know. We'll see. They are currently talking about Universal Orlando rides. Not sure why, but that's okay. You don't need the map, we can go that way.
No, I know, I just want to see the weight.
Oh. I'd love to wear sunglasses. They didn't fog up my with the mask on. There's another topic to comment on. How do you stop your sunglasses from fogging up when you got a mask on? Frustrating.
I'm pretty sure there's this thing you can buy on Amazon, and it like tapes the thing down right here so that it doesn't fog up your glasses.
Then I feel like I wouldn't be able to breathe.
Well, like
Already. Well, maybe.
Sides and like the
Yes. I'm gonna take a little detour, I guess, and go check out what this is all about. Hi there. All right.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Oh, these are awesome pictures.
I know. That's why I wanted to come in here. It's like a little museum. It still breaks my heart to this day that his favorite ride was Pirates of the Caribbean, and he died right before. Yeah, I think I decided that if I were to bring anybody back to life, it would be those people. Yeah. Just so you could see what he's created. Why not use it? Well, he already came back to it.
Is this the one where...
Well, I believe they have a diorama of Disneyland's castle.
Oh, really?
Oh, right here. No. That's Main Street.
Actually, it says Marceline, Missouri. This is what gave him his ideas. It looks
Well,
like.
right, but it says it's in
Yeah, maybe.
See, there's
Yeah, the Emporium. Yeah,
because they think they have something similar.
I think so. If you're ever in, for those of you listening, if you're ever in San Francisco, there's an entire museum. It's not too far from the Golden Gate Bridge that is all dedicated to Disney. Disney and his family, yes. It's actually very, very cool. And I highly recommend it. In fact, we may even have some footage from when we went, and we have to throw that up.
This is the plan for a super cartoon camera. We call it a multiplane camera. The problem was how to take a painting and make it behave like a real piece of scenery under the camera. The different elements in the scene were separated according to their varying distances from the viewer. With our original picture broken down in this manner, it is possible to control the relative speed with which each individual part of it moves to or away from the camera.
And was an early attempt at dimensional storytelling. It also helped to inspire the concept for Disneyland Park 4 years later.
Awesome. Now we gotta check it all out.
That is so cool.
This is the plan for a super cartoon camera. We call it a multiplane camera. The problem was how to take a painting
Oh, look at that. That's pretty
and
cool.
make it behave like a real piece of scenery under the camera. The different elements in the
I
scene.
always admire the amount of patience required to do something like this.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
In this manner, it is possible to control the relative speed with which each individual part of it moves to or away from the camera. Here now is our same moonlight scene, the way the multiplane camera scene.
Oh, he built the opera house. So, wow, that is amazing.
It is very cool.
The problem was how to take a painting and make it behave like a real piece of
That is awesome. Yeah.
Look, there's Snow White's grotto.
Frontierland. Tall tales and true from the
That's pretty cool.
Tomorrowland. Promise of things to come. Adventureland. The wonder world of nature's own realm.
Oh yeah, these are awesome. You coming, kiddo?
Yes, Mom, look at this
This is the Jungle Cruise. Jungle Cruise.
Oh, I know, I took pictures.
Oh, did you?
I know, that's the same from 2008.
This one?
No, this is from 2008.
Oh yeah, that's pretty stinking cool.
Really, really is. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Look at the tiny people. They're I really like. Oh look, there's World of. Oh look, there's Guardians of the Galaxy.
I think those of you that are still watching some of the rides that they have in California Adventure are awesome. awesome, but the World of Color is a must view. It is really, really awesome.
They don't have that. No, but they do have their attachment. Oh yeah, the wizards. Oh no, that's Fantasia. No, it's called Fantastic. That show is.
Well, I mean, I grew up with the Sunday nights, you know, you watch Disney on Sunday.
Did you know they were gonna do the cars? That cars area. Yeah. They were thinking about doing something.
Not a Florida company.
Oh my gosh, they can smell more flowers than this. Way ahead.
Yep.
That's what that ride's called, is Spaceship Earth.
Right.
I thought that was Epcot.
It is. Apparently there's a ride inside of it.
Original Lincoln animatronic.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think it's the original one.
Oh, wow. Well, maybe.
I think it's much, but once Great Moose, Mr. Lopez ready, it was. Yeah, I think this might be the original.
That's a little creepy looking. It's like a Terminator Lincoln. Kind of like an Abe Lincoln cross between Alien Terminator kind of thing.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, this would be pretty cool to have
What?
in like a, you know, man cave or something. This would be pretty stinking sweet. Wow. That is cool. Oh, look, the Resistance Intersystem Transport Ship.
Yeah. So very cool.
Yes. Oh, yeah. This is awesome, too. Yeah, you just never run out of stuff to see in here. This is pretty cool. This here is about a 4-foot tall AT-AT. And yes, I'm old school and still call them AT-ATs. I know there are people that will say AT-AT, but that sounds a little weird.
This is the one thing he didn't get to finish.
Yeah, I know
He
it.
didn't get to finish. What is this?
Move on.
Oh wow.
Oh, the new stuff. What were you gonna say?
You don't know this.
What?
This is Disney. It's Disney's Disney. Yeah, I was gonna say, I know it's the same.
All right, moving on from that. I would highly recommend going in and checking that out if you love seeing models, dioramas, replicas. That was very cool. All right, well, I think we're gonna do the Toy Story Midway Mania and a few other things up until I get my surprise here in a little bit, which I will talk about as we get closer to that time. So until then, I'll see you in a bit.